This is Captain Philip with Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. Today we're taking a tour of the colorful and historical city of Salvador. So let's get started. Salvador was founded in 1549 by the Portuguese and was Brazil's first capital, which is a title that it would hold for 214 years before the capital was moved to Rio de Janeiro in 1763. Salvador is one of the oldest European cities in the Americas. Below is the Pelourinho, or the historic center of Salvador, home to a wide array of Portuguese colonial and Renaissance architecture, the largest collection in Latin America. Many of the buildings in the historic center were restored in the early 1990s, after the area became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. There are approximately 38 Catholic churches in Salvador, with the vast majority of them being founded in the 16 and 1700s. Today, Salvador is the capital of the Brazilian state of Bahia. With a population of 2.7 million, it is the fourth most populous city in Brazil. What's unique about Salvador is that the city sits on a 280-foot steep cliff and is divided into two sections, the upper town and the lower town. You can access both sections by taking the Lacerda elevator. Built between 1869 to 1873, it is Brazil's oldest elevator and the world's first public elevator. The elevator has 4 lifts carrying 27 passengers each on a 30-second ride costing 15 reals. In 2019, the elevator transported more than 33,000 passengers per day. Ahead is the Barra Lighthouse. Constructed in 1839, it sits at the extreme south of Salvador and at the entrance to the Bay of All Saints. Salvador is the second most popular tourist destination in Brazil after Rio de Janeiro. The Salvador coastline is one of the longest in Brazil, which is saying something, boasting 50 miles worth of beaches. Tourism and cultural activity are important generators of employment and income, which help in boosting the preservation of the artistic and cultural heritage of the city. Salvador and Bahia are at the center of the Afro-Brazilian population and culture. Salvador was a major center for the African slave trade in the colonial period. In fact, Muslim African slaves in the city staged a widespread revolt there in 1835. Salvador still has one of the largest concentrations of black and mixed populations in Brazil. 80% of the city's ethnic population identify as being black or mixed. Those groups have contributed to many of the music, fashions, and distinctive foods for which the city is known for today. Make sure to stop at our gift shop at www.airworthyprints.com for beautiful travel posters of Brazil for your home, office, or home office. Free shipping on all purchases. And for staying for the full length of the video, make sure to use the coupon of Airworthy Rio for 10% off on your purchase. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours and look forward to seeing you on our next flight.